Poor baby. Aren't you poor baby got the hiccups, huh? It's Tuesday now. I only put out one video this weekend. I just haven't been feeling good. I don't know what's up with that. Could be a hormonal thing, could just be a spring allergy thing, could be fibro thing. I don't really know. But there was a few clips over the weekend that just didn't make it in the Sunday vlog because it was way too long. So I'm gonna put those right here. So it's Mother's Day now. My mom gave me this card the other day, so I'd like to read it through, well, hold on. So yeah, it's Sunday now. Yesterday and today are gonna just kind of be in the same video if I can fit it. Know how that goes. Daughter, through all life's changes, discoveries and journeys, you've brought us such joy. If I can get it open. And that happiness grows. Just seeing you be the mom you are with a family of your own, you make us so very proud. Happy Mother's Day. All our love, Mom and Dad. Thank you for all you do. You are such a wonderful person. God bless. I don't think I do anything for them, but I think she meant like for my kids. I don't feel like I do enough for them, but life and my conditions kind of tend to get in the way, so.
Hi everyone. Hi, put the camera on me.
Just trying to.
Camera on me, I want to say hello.
Just trying to like hold it down over here, you know, with everything I have going on. It can get challenging sometimes. And so.
Put the camera on me.
Hold on, let me turn it around.
Okay.
So then there was yesterday, I started my day out with a pregnancy test. And then there's just a couple short things, so I'll put those right here. Morning, it is Monday morning. I'm 10 DPO. I'm going to take a pregnancy test as well as a ovulation test. An ovulation test, here's the pregnancy test brand. So I linked this pregnancy test for 3 minutes, and I'm not supposed to read it after 5, so gotta really watch the time on here. So I'm going to dip this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 to 3 drops for this guy.
Okay. So, oops. Set my timer. I don't like watching these because they always look like they're positive before the actual result shows up. I guess we'll watch the ovulation test, why not? Sitting here anyway. Most likely going to be negative anyway. So I started to get really doubtful last night because of my back hurting and things like that, but that could be fibro, that might not even have to do with my cycle. I don't really know. But it's hard not to doubt myself after almost 3 years. And I used to really break down from getting my period. Like, legit break down, like, crying every time. Sometimes not just one day crying. So I try not to like let it get to that point now. Just trying to keep my expectations at a minimum and I guess protect my heart. Yeah, the ovulation test is for sure obviously going to be negative. So maybe that's an indication that I'm just not. I don't know. We'll come back in 1 minute.
That's extremely negative. And so is that. I guess there's my answer.
Okay. Jojo. Jojo. Oh, my baby. Oh, my baby. Oh, such a big baby. Oh, such a big baby. Oh, you're such a big baby. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. That's it, that's it. I see. Stream close up, huh? No, don't make my face. Don't make my face. You just ate. You just ate. Oh. What are you doing? You're always suspicious. New toys? Were they already chewed up? I don't see any of them. Mm-hmm. We got new toys yesterday. I don't see any of them. What are you doing? No. From all the junk I had at the movies and... Hey, you can't eat that crayon right in front of me. Like, you're not even smooth. I'm not giving that to you. Oh, what did she do? She snuck in there on you, didn't she? She sneaked in on you? She did. She did. Ow! Would you stop stepping on my side with your nails? Wow, that's a new one. I know I'm big, but I'm not a mountain, darn it.
Hi. So yeah, negative pregnancy test. Not feeling good. I have a gross taste in my, like, back of my mouth that I had on Saturday too. Just for a short bit, like almost like a bloody baking soda taste. I don't even know how to describe it. It's gross. I don't know. I feel like I'm teased with pregnancy sometimes and then I'm not pregnant. So it's hard to be hopeful when it's like that. Now that things are going better, now that it would be appropriate to get pregnant, why can't I now? I'm so grateful for the kids I have. That doesn't squash my feelings of wanting another one. I wish it did. I wish I could just not care, just not even think about it. But I do think about it all the time. But I'm taking another pregnancy test in the morning, so we'll see. Fry out of the bag, and I added some broccoli into it. I'm able to eat broccoli again as long as I have a digestive enzyme. I think I ate the broccoli that was in my bowl. There wasn't much. But yeah, that's my dinner. That's all of our dinner. Got some white rice in there, some good sauce. Yum. And then there's just a little bit from today, including a pregnancy test. So I will put those right here. So here's my lunch after we worked out. Just a little total body with cardio workout thing. This is onion, kale, tofu, scramble, noodles, and sauces, seasonings, and a little bit of water to cook the noodles. Also, I said I would be doing the pregnancy test again, although that hasn't come out yet because it's added to this video. I did do one. It is negative. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait a couple days and then I'll do another one. I don't have it in me to see another negative tomorrow, so I'll be waiting till like the following day. Yep. So, yep, I'll be getting a video out early today for the lack of a video yesterday. And so, this will be on this video. Yeah.
Wow, that's okay. You got hiccups, huh? You stink. You stink. Poor baby. Don't you poor baby got the hiccups, huh? Did you get hiccups? Oh, did you get them hiccups? Oh, goodness. Hi.
You done with hiccups? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I sure hope you enjoyed my vlog. I'll try to put one out every day now. We'll see. It's the editing. I have been too tired and just drained and just, haven't had it in me. But thank you all my subscribers, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. Have a good night and God bless you.